Hi everyone, in today's video we will learn some daily useful English sentences which you can use in your daily conversation. So without wasting time, let's get started. First sentence is बुरे काम का नतीजा बुरा होता है या फिर बुरे काम का बुरा नतीजा इंग्लिश में हम इसे कहते हैं A bad deed has a bad result. A bad deed has a bad result. मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलने में दिक्कत होती है I find it difficult to speak English. I find it difficult to speak English. मुझे अजनबियों से बात करना मुश्किल लगता है I find it difficult to talk to strangers. I find it difficult to talk to strangers. मुझे बार बार बोलना पड़ रहा था I was having to speak again and again. I was having to speak again and again. मुझे उसकी मदद करनी पड़ रही है I am having to help him. I am having to help him. क्या आप वहाँ जा पाएंगे Will you be able to go there? Will you be able to go there? भगवान जाने वे कहाँ हैं God knows where they are. God knows where they are. भगवान जाने वो कौन है God knows who she is. God knows who she is. पैसे की परवाह किए बिना Irrespective of money. Irrespective of money. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ दूंगा I will always stand by you. I will always stand by you. ऐसा माना जाता है कि It is believed that. It is believed that. सोचने के लिए वक्त दीजिए Give me some time to think. Give me some time to think या फिर Give me some time to think. सब सो गए Everyone fell asleep. Everyone fell asleep. कुछ खा लो Have something. Have something या फिर Eat something. मुझे ये पहेली सुलझानी है I have to solve this puzzle. I have to solve this puzzle. तुम कहते कुछ हो और करते कुछ और हो You say something and do something else. You say something and do something else. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो आपसे बात नहीं करना चाहता It's not that he doesn't want to talk to you. It's not that he doesn't want to talk to you. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं आपकी मदद नहीं करना चाहता It's not that I don't want to help you. It's not that I don't want to help you. बर्तन साफ कर दो या बर्तन साफ कर लो Do the dishes. Do the dishes. तुम मुझे मेरे जैसे ही लगते हो You seem to me just like me. You seem to me just like me. तुम्हें मेरी वजह से परेशानी झेलनी पड़ी You had to suffer because of me. You had to suffer because of me. ध्यान रखना तुम्हें वहां जाना है Keep in mind that you have to go there. Keep in mind that you have to go there. फिर जरूर आना Do come again. Do come again. मुझे आपकी बात माननी चाहिए थी I should have listened to you. I should have listened to you. आराम से करो कोई जल्दी नहीं है Take your time. There is no rush. Take your time. There is no rush या फिर there is no hurry. बेहतर होगा तुम वही करो जो मैं कहता हूँ You had better do as I suggest. You had better do as I suggest. आप अपना फ़ोन घर पर भूल गए हैं You forgot your phone at home. You forgot your phone at home. कोई अगर मगर नहीं No ifs and buts. No ifs and buts. सुना नहीं मैंने क्या कहा Didn't hear what I said. Didn't hear what I said या फिर Did you not hear what I said? अंदाज़ा लगाना मुश्किल है It's hard to guess. It's hard to guess